Picture this. An offer flashes across your screen. 0% APR for 18 months on balance transfers. Your current cards are bleeding interest. The math looks obvious. Move the debt, skip the interest, pay down principal faster. It feels like tax-free oxygen for your finances. But beneath that glittering headline, there are hidden costs, timing traps, and credit mechanics that can turn a smart move into an expensive mistake. A balance transfer is not magic. It's an engineered financial maneuver that can either shave years off your payoff timeline or quietly make your credit look worse if executed without strategy. The difference between saving thousands and paying more is usually a few minutes of careful planning. We're going to map that plan. What a balance transfer actually is. Clear and simple. A balance transfer moves debt from one card to another, usually to a card with a promotional 0% APR. So interest stops accruing on the transferred balance for a set introductory period. That introductory period, how long you get the 0%, and the transfer fee you pay upfront dictate whether the transfer saves you money. The fee is typically 3% to 5% of the amount transferred. Think of the transfer fee as the ticket price to the interest-free ride. If the interest you avoid over the promo period is larger than the fee, the move can make sense, but only if you actually pay the balance down during the promo and avoid mistakes that void the deal. The promotional window, how long is long enough? Balance transfer promos vary widely. Some cards offer 12 months, others 18 to 21 months, and rare offers stretch longer. The correct promo length is the one that lines up with a realistic payoff plan. If your math shows you'll still have leftover principal when the promo expires, that remaining balance will immediately start accruing the card's regular APR, which can be high. Choose length carefully. More months gives more breathing room, but sometimes a shorter promo plus a lower fee is still the smarter play. The cost math, transfer fee versus interest saved. How to decide? Here's the simple calculation you must do before you press transfer. Calculate the transfer fee. Transfer fee equals balance times transfer fee rate. Estimate interest avoided. Interest saved approximately equals current interest rate times average balance times promo length in years. Compare. If interest saved greater than transfer fee, good candidate. If not, rethink the hidden traps, fees, limits, and penalties. Balance transfers contain several common traps. Transfer fees, 3% to 5%, are added to your balance immediately. This raises your starting balance on the new card. Transfer limits. Issuers may only allow a portion of your existing debt to be transferred, so you might need multiple cards or partial transfers. Late payments can void the 0% promo. Some issuers will cancel the promotional APR if you miss a payment. Then high interest and penalty APRs may be applied. Never miss a payment. New purchases. Putting new purchases on a card with a transferred balance may eliminate the grace period and cause purchases to carry interest immediately while you carry the transferred balance. Treat the new card as a debt repayment tool only while you're on the promo. Each of these can silently erode the expected savings. The smart user anticipates them. How balance transfers affect your credit score. The real mechanics. Balance transfers can affect your score in multiple ways. Hard inquiry. Applying for a new card triggers a hard pull, a small, temporary ding. Average account age. Opening a new card can reduce your average age of accounts, which may slightly lower scores in the short term. Credit utilization. The transfer can lower utilization on old cards, good, but increase utilization on the new card if the new limit is small relative to the transferred balance. The net effect depends on your total available credit across all cards. Keep an eye on utilization in percentage terms, not just balance size. Investopedia and Experian advise keeping utilization under 30%, and ideally under 10 to 20% for best impact. Timing matters when balances are reported and how to game it. One of the best tactical edges comes from understanding when issuers report balances to the bureaus. Some report on the statement close date. Others may report on a different day. If your issuer reports on the statement close date, making a payment before that closing date lowers the balance that gets reported, and therefore lowers utilization. 2 small payments per cycle before the close date can keep reported balances low without changing your month-to-month cash flow. This micro-timing, scheduling payments to manipulate reported balances, is legal, smart, and often overlooked. It's the difference between a transfer that looks bad on paper and one that improves your profile. From theory to operation, we've covered the theory, fees, promo length, score mechanics. Now we convert that into an operational plan you can execute today. This is the playbook that turns a theoretical saving into realized savings. Read it like a heist manual, because precision matters. Step 0. The mindset. Rules you must enforce. Rule 1. The transfer card is a repayment tool. No new purchases until the transferred amount is 0. Rule 2. Auto-pay the minimum immediately. Schedule extra payments to hit your payoff target. Rule 3. Treat the transfer fee as sunk cost. Don't let it justify slower payments. You must attack principal. Rule 4. Monitor reported balances and adjust payments before statement close dates. Timing is power. Keep these 4 rules posted somewhere visible. Step 1. Shop with surgeon-level precision. How to pick the card? When choosing a transfer card, score each candidate on 5 metrics. Promo length, how many months of 0%? Your top priority. Longer gives more time to pay. Transfer fee, 3% to 5% typical. Prefer lower fees but not at the cost of a drastically shorter promo. Transfer limit. Can they accept the full balance you want to move? Reporting behavior and tools. Does the issuer report monthly? And can you schedule payments easily? Post-promo APR. What's the climb if leftover principal remains? Rate each card 1 to 10 on each metric. The highest combined score wins. Step 2. Application sequencing and minimizing score damage. You want the new card, but a new application triggers a hard inquiry and can reduce your average age. Minimize damage. Pre-qualify where possible via soft pull pre-approval tools. These don't ding your score. Apply for only one balance transfer card at a time. Multiple inquiries compound harm. If you're thin-filed, consider a credit union approach or a secured route that still offers promotional transfers. These may have friendlier underwriting and fewer denial risks. If you must apply for multiple cards, cluster them in a tight window only if you're rate shopping for an installment loan. Cards don't benefit much from rate shopping protections. Step 3. Advanced tactics and negotiation. Split large transfers across 2 promos only if each transfer still produces net interest savings after fees. Calculate carefully. Negotiate the transfer fee. Sometimes targeted offers include waived or reduced fees. If you have a relationship with the issuer, ask for a reduced fee. Ask for a pre-approval increase. If you have a decent track record, some issuers will increase limits without a full new application. This can be safer than adding another new account. The day you close the last transfer, picture the moment the final payment posts. There's a quiet satisfaction. Your minimum payments are lower, interest stopped, and your credit utilization has improved in the reports. Balance transfers are powerful tools when used with arithmetic, timing, and discipline. They are brittle when used as wishful thinking. For issuer-by-issuer strategies, fee comparisons, and downloadable payoff calculators that compute whether a specific transfer offer saves money for your balances and interest rates, visit wiseconsultant.com. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.